Hello, this is Jeremy from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. I have an inspector project of this airfoil blade, and my data is already aligned to my datums, and I already created a surface with a surface profile. My drawing gives this surface profile a tolerance of 60 thou, and if I go to this tolerance menu, you already know I could assign a tolerance based from this drop-down list. But 60 thou is not part of that list. If I want to include some of my company standard tolerances to this list, I can navigate to Tools, Options, or if I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I can navigate to File, Options. In your Options window, you'll navigate to Objects and select Tolerances. And here, I can add a new tolerance. I'll just name this 60. And I can insert the tolerance values. Let me also add 30 to my list. So now, when I assign the tolerance and look at that drop-down menu, you'll see I have 60 and 30 as part of that list. And that's how I can add my company's standard tolerances to my drop-down list. Thank you for watching.